Hello there, my friends. So I'm going to show you guys how to format a SD card in this camera. So if you bought this camera on Amazon for YouTube, you're in the right place. So let's get started. Yes, those famous scenes, those cut scenes. I should probably get in a CapCut or DaVinci or something and make those better. Anyway, we're going to do this. So I'm going to take this SD card out of my reader. I transferred it. This was in my dash cam. Actually, this was in my dash cam. This is an adapter, and you can use this in this. So let's go here to this camera. Oh, it's on the bottom, right? In a very inaccessible place. Why they put these on the bottom, I have no idea. Sony cameras sometimes have them on the side, which is nice. Anyway, flip this up here like this, and it only goes in one way, right? So if you go like this, you're going in the wrong way. You go like this, you got the right orientation, but the wrong position. So flip it around. It snaps in, snaps out, right? So snap it in, close, make sure your battery's on there. Open up the door. Now you'll get the screen here, right? And you can go here to menu, press the menu button, right? So here's your menu. So basically, it's hard to see here. This says resolution, image stabilization. What we're going to do is we're going to work our way down the list here. So it is a touch screen, so that's kind of cool. So we don't want exposure. We want to go down. So we're going to go to settings. We want to go down, scroll. So we can do time and day. Actually, we should probably set up the time and day, but I'll do that in a separate video. Let's go to a format card right there. See it? Format card. So go ahead and press that, and it'll ask format card one more time. Yes. And it says formatting completed. Okay, so now there's nothing on this card. It has been completely erased of the files that were on it from my dash cam, and it is now in a format that will be used by this camcorder. So that's how you do that. Go back to out, and you're ready to rock and roll. And here it tells you how much time is left on that card. So I can record at this resolution for 3 hours, and oh, I'm sorry, no, that's the date. It should tell me how much time I have left. Let's see. If I press start recording. Nope, it doesn't tell me how much time's left. Anyway, forget that. So, like I said, I just got this camera. That's how you format the card. I hope to see you guys on the next one. And once I figure out how all these settings work, I'll share them with you. Have a great day today, and I'll see you on the next one. See you on the next one. That's the outro. Thanks for subscribing, everybody. I do have a Patreon now. Nobody's on it yet, but that's cool. You could go on a Discord server with me, and that would be pretty awesome. I'll talk to you later.